What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Big Crypto here, and we're going to talk Lunar Classic, the coin of the week. Certainly making a big imprint on the market once again. Everyone said it was dead. Only the real OGs knew exactly what was coming. We're going to break down exactly what's going on, as well as something you guys need to be aware of coming at the end of this video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for all of your latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And if you are still bullish on Lunar Classic, you know what to do. Smash that like button. That's how I know that you enjoy the content. YouTube loves it as well. And with that being said, let's take a look at the market. $1.54 trillion, 130% up on volume today. Massive. Bitcoin rejected at 42K 3 times today as well. 2.71% is the global market that we are up. Now, we're going to take a slow walk through the overall cryptocurrency market. We're out of the top 30. We're into the top 40. The 44th highest ranked cryptocurrency right now, number 44 in the globe, is Terra Lunar Classic, up 32% on the day. 2596 is that current price. Now, what's interesting is look at this ascent, and I think there is going to be more to come. A lot of people do not understand what's about to land with this. My opinion is more to come. A $1.5 billion market cap, and that is up 33%. And with volume, remember, comes burns. $1.3 billion is our volume, but here's the interesting part. Look at the Binance number, 576 million, 66 million. We are waiting for that other pairing on USTC as well to come with Binance. Are we about to see a third Lunar Classic pairing? Maybe that is the news that's coming. But what is going on? Well, Terra, Lunk, and Luna price surges. What is next for the Terra token? Well, ultimately, we see a significant price increase on Lunk. A lot of people talking about the 2s, a lot of people now talking about the 3s. Are we about to break into that zone? I think that could be coming this week if the market sentiment continues to move with us. In line with Bitcoin, the two seem to be intrinsically linked as we see that move. But it says, following an update, the Terra Classic price gained massive momentum and broke out of the range, but the rally was short-lived as the price faced rejection at the 12,855. The Lunk token traded sideways before regaining power and breaking out. We obviously don't know that we're 25859 range right now. Currently, the price hovering close to its upper resistance of that 240, and we did break and test that. Ultimately, what does it look like? We can see here, look, the bulls continue to gain power. The Lunk price will prepare to test the resistance at the 2602 line, and that's where we are, with a potential 2805 is the next big test. Once we break those 2 points, well, we could be on our way. There could be a significant move. And ultimately, why is this? Well, obviously, Terra Lunar Classic has a massive community base, which we've talked about a number of times on this channel. And equally, it is one of those tokens that just has a unique story attached to it, and fundamentally was a thriving ecosystem before we got that collapse. Now, I talked a little bit about this the other day, but I wanted just to kind of double back and just make sure that everybody is aware of exactly kind of what's happening in the background. So November 22nd, the Terraform Labs, TFL, injected $15 million worth of capital into the Terra ecosystem through Astroport and URXYZ, making liquidity on Terra for blue chip assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum the deepest of any Cosmos chain. Now, remember, IBC is open. We are linked into the Cosmos chain. TFL's capital injection solves the cold start problem for the Terra ecosystem, providing ample liquidity for users to acquire and trade blue chip assets, and for developers to build powerful and exciting new DeFi applications on top of them. The has already agreed collaborating with project terms and take advantage of the new deployed capital. For teams interested in leveraging blue chip liquidity to build DeFi on Terra, send MCUST or the Terra Finance message on Telegram. And again, you can see there, look, the recent liquidity development was spread across 11 pools. You can see all those across there. And ultimately, as DEX aggregates, such as best place to execute trades for their growing user bases. And finally, it says fostering a thriving application economy requires significant capital. And with TFL's recent injected liquidity, Terra has the kindling to blaze a path forward. Over time, as liquidity grows, Terra will become a home of blue chip assets on Cosmos. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, hold on a minute, a lot of that was Luna and not a lot about Lunar Classic, and you'd be right. The reality here, though, is that $10 million of that was fundamentally going to be funding through the Terra Lunar Classic ecosystem as well as the Lunar ecosystem. Now, you can see it's having a massive effect on the price of Luna at $1.19, which naturally brings Terra Lunar Classic with it. The difference here is the community that sits behind Lunar Classic is much bigger. So by default, this investment that TFL are doing, ultimately, remember, IBC being enabled is going to support Lunar Classic as well. Remember, this is about building DEX aggregates, blue chip liquidity, and everything else in between. So although they are paired with Luna for the starting time, there does then forgive an intrinsic link back into Luna Classic. So remember, we got rid of kind of L1 and the quant algo team and all that stuff, fundamentally looped back and buried ourselves back with TFL, and it turns out that has been a fantastic decision and ultimately is paying dividends right now. So when we take a look at what does this mean, well, look, this is what it means. Massive volume on burns, 575 million today, but there is a watch out. We are seeing a significant amount of Luna Classic unstaked. Remember, 21 days until people can sell, and I think that's where some people are absolutely in the short term seeing the potential gains that are there and not looking further long term. I'm not telling you not to take any profits. That's absolutely not what I'm doing, but we could just be in a world in a couple of 3 weeks time we might see a significant sell-off on the market, but who knows where the price will be. Looking very bullish right now. Even these kind of sell-offs that we got is met on the bounce of this 20 EMA with another pushed back to the upside, retesting this top range at the 28 twice. So we could see a significant move once again as Bitcoin looks like it's about to retest 42k of the fourth time, and then we see where we get. But all the indicators right now looking very good, both volume and the higher time frame EMAs all looking great. So we'll see what happens with Terra Luna Classic. Certainly going to be an interesting week for sure. But as ever, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of all of this? Do you think it's a flash in the pan, pump and dump? Or do you think actually Luna Classic is back? I'm always interested to know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed the content and you want to see more Luna Classic videos, all you have to do, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on, and I will see you all on the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.